Hello everyone, welcome to the SQRT channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a problem in geometry. In this geometry problem, we are going to find the yellow area that we have here. The thing that we know is we have one square and we have 3/4 circles here. The blue lines are each 1 unit and the red line is half a unit. We also know that the point that we have here in the middle of the circles and also in the middle of the square is basically the center of this square. The last thing that we are given is the angle that we have here between two blue lines is basically 30 degrees. With all these, we're going to find the yellow area here. Before moving forward to talk about the solution, as usual, please make sure that you pause the video to think about this problem. We will see you after 15 seconds. Meanwhile, please consider subscribing to this channel and we will see you in a bit. To solve this problem, let's start with finding a few values here. We know that the blue line is the radius of these quarter circles. As a result, we can say that the side of the square is also 1 unit. That's the first thing that we can find. The second thing is let's focus on the green triangle that we have here. In this green triangle, we know that it's a right triangle. Now, one of the sides is 1/2, the other side is basically 1, and we can say that the one that we have here in purple is basically a square root of 1 minus 1/4. So it is going to be a square root of 3/2. The other thing that we can say is basically the line that we have here in orange can be calculated as 1 minus a square root of 3/2. Finally, we can find the line that we have here in light blue. It can be calculated as 1/2 minus 1 minus a square root of 3/2, which can be simplified as a square root of 3 minus 1/2. Now let's focus on the sector that we have here shown in red. In this sector, first of all, the radius of this sector is basically 1. So the area of the whole circle is going to be pi times 1 to the power of 2, which is pi. Now, this part of the sector is basically have 3 degrees. So the area of this sector can be calculated as 3/360 times pi, which is pi/12. Now let's move a little bit forward. We talked about the sector. Now let's focus on the two triangles that we have here shown in pink. Basically, we have two triangles here, the one in green and the one in light blue. It's easy to show that they are identical. So if we want to find the area that they have, we can just find the area of one of those. Now how can we calculate the area of one of these triangles? The one that we are focusing on right now is the green one. Here, let's say that the base that we are going to focus on is the one that has the square root of 3 minus 1 over 2. The height for this base is going to be the one that we have in purple, and it is going to be 1 over 2. So the area of this triangle can be calculated as base, which is square root of 3 minus 1 over 2 times height, which is 1 over 2 divided by 2. Now we have two of those. We are going to multiply 2 by the area that we just found. We found a square root of 3 minus 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 over 2. We are going to multiply that by 2. It is going to be a square root of 3 minus 1 over 4. To find the yellow area, we need to find the difference between the area of the sector and the area that we found for these two triangles. The area of the sector was pi over 12, and we just found the area that we have for these two triangles. The difference is going to be pi over 12 minus square root of 3 minus 4 over 4, which is around 0.078, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzles, math-involved activities, and problems from different math competitions and Olympiads, please kindly subscribe to this channel. This is the SQRT channel. Hope to see you in the next video.